This is the Tesla Model 3 Standard Range Plus 22 plate. In this video I will briefly summarize the cost and more information that you should know before owning one of these cars. Now the price range for the Standard Range Plus go over £40,000. It has a single electric motor, rear wheel drive, 0 to 60 miles per hour in approximately 5 seconds, and the top speed is 140 miles per hour. These cars can accelerate as fast as supercars. Now the mileage range is roughly 272 miles on a full charge. Some claim it gives 280, some do claim it gives 240, all in the real world. While on the Tesla website it mentions the range mileage from a laboratory test. So on the Standard Range Plus it mentioned it gives 305 miles, the performance model gives you 340 miles, and the long range model gives you 374 miles. But then obviously driving it in the real world, the mileage may drop towards your usage. Remember that cold weather can increase energy consumption because more power is required for driving and heating up the battery. Right, let's move on to the cost in running one of these cars. Now if you're using a 3-pin plug at home to charge your Tesla from 10% to 100%, it will take you over 26 hours. A home charging point will take you over 8 hours. Fast charging at petrol stations and car parks, about 6 hours on an 11 to 22 kilowatt charger. But I've seen also they have now introduced 50 kilowatt chargers, so the time charging a car will be less. And Tesla super fast charger, about 30 minutes. So how much will it cost you? Now assume your home energy tariff is 28 pence per kilowatt hour. And we are going to use the home charging point to charge our Tesla. Now the Tesla battery has a consumption of 58 kilowatt per hour. So all we do is 28 pence times by 58, which is the kilowatt per hour battery, equals to £16 and 24 pence. That's how much it will cost to fully charge your Tesla from 0 to 100% on a home charging point for over 8 hours. On the super fast charge it's using up to 175 kilowatts. Now assume the tariff is 44 pence per kilowatt hour. So the same equation method. So we do 44 pence times by 58 kilowatt per hour, which is the battery, equals to £25 and 52 pence. If you need to know the cost per mile, just calculate £25 and 52 pence divided by the car range mileage, which is 272, gives you a total of 9 pence per mile. Now that you have understood that method, let's try another one. What if you have 50% battery left, 29 kilowatt per hour? So back to the home charging point as an example, charging up the Tesla for 1 hour using a 7 kilowatt charger. So we do 7 plus 29 kilowatt per hour, which is your remaining battery. So 7 plus 29 equals 36. So now your battery has gone up to 36 kilowatt per hour. How much does it cost for 1 hour charge? You do 28 pence, which is your tariff, times that by 7, which is your kilowatt charging point, equals to £1 and 96 pence per hour. So how much does it cost to fill up the rest of the 50% battery? You simply choose your tariff again, which I'm using is 28 pence, times that by 29, which is the remaining kilowatt per hour I need to charge up, equals to £8 and 12 pence. I hope I have simplified it for you, as these are the basic calculations you can do when coming up to charge up. Now if you're stuck in these kind of calculations, then there are online calculators that you can use. More details on costs are tallied up in the Tesla mobile app. Right, let's move on to the last part I wanted to bring up. Car tax for now is nil, so you pay no car tax because there are no emissions. Now I did a quick quotation, and if I was to insure the Tesla, I'm looking well over £1,000. They are normally on a high insurance group considering how expensive the car is. Cheapest one came out for me was Buy Miles, which I highly recommend. As you can watch my previous videos on how I saved hundreds of pounds just by switching over to them. Now every Tesla car has a VIN number. If you Google search a VIN decoder and type in the number, you can actually see where your car was made, the fuel type and much more. As for this Tesla I'm going to review has been manufactured from China. Finally, they provide a basic vehicle warranty for 4 years or 50,000 miles, whichever comes first. You can look into it further in what they can provide, as they do tend to change their warranty policies at some point. 8 years or 100,000 miles, whichever comes first, on the battery and the drive unit. That's it from me. In my next Tesla video I'll be showing the features of the interior and exterior. Take care guys, peace.